Hi, today I'm turning this pineapple into flowers for garnishing. We dehydrate this fruit and voila, it becomes flowers. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, hi again, nice to see you. And if you have just tuned in, hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So sit back and enjoy. There are only 4 easy steps to make pineapple flowers. The first step is to prepare the pineapple by removing the skin and the eyes. I'll leave the link in the description box on how to do it. Step number 2 is to cut the pineapples into thin rounds. As thin as you can, say 2 to 3 mm. Step number 3 is to dry and dehydrate in the oven. On the baking parchment, arrange the pineapple slices in a single layer. Sprinkle with some sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. The sugar will help to retain the shape of the flowers. Bake it in the oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Check regularly after 15 minutes. This tray is without added sugar. You see it's not that brown. The bottom ones need to go to the oven for a few more minutes. When it's a bit cool, place the flowers in bowls to give it shape. The flowers needs to be dry. If it's not dry, it won't hold its shape. I tried to color this blue, but it turns out green. Blue and yellow becomes green. Duh! The flowers are now ready. Let's get creative. So here we have our nice pineapple flowers. On a cupcake, on ice cream. If you like my video so far, please like, hit the bell and subscribe. On my fruit and yogurt breakfast, I do pamper myself. Aren't these pretty? So do have a go at it. It's easy. So until the next round and until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to hit like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. If you'd like to have more recipes, please click here. And there are also other recipes on travels and gardening as well. You can also click here. So till then, bye. See you again. Bye. Ciao. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.